Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today we're going to make a top, a little shield to go over our hummingbird feeder. So this is going to be a quick and easy one. Let's get started. Okay, so I have already gotten a hole here in the center. You can use a drill, you can use a hot glue gun, you can use a wood burner. Whichever way you want to do it. I'm not here to judge how you do it. So just get a hole here in the middle. And what I've got is 2 eye bolts. This is what they look like. And we've got 2 washers. And we've got a connector bolt here. So let's see, we're going to first of all, we've got our nut here, then we're going to put a washer. Let's see. We're going to screw it down just like this. So my hole is pretty tight to the size of the eye bolt. And I saw this little trick from John Ray on John Ray's Birds. So y'all go check him out. How he was putting some E6000. Let me get it where y'all can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to put that right in here. It just kind of seals it. So water can't get through there. Let's see. Yeah. Back that up a little bit, but we'll see. So I'm going to tighten that down. We'll go ahead and put some on here. John Ray does some beautiful work with glass tops. All right, so now I'm going to take this nut off of here and put it on here. And there was some glue there. Just like that. Then we're going to use this connector. We'll go about halfway down. And then we're going to put this eye bolt into the connector. So you can screw it from both sides. Now John Ray makes the glass ones and they are so beautiful. Y'all need to go check his out. Right? I think I've got them pretty snug. So just like that. And then you have a shield. And this helps, John Ray said this will help attract the hummingbirds. Isn't that pretty? It also keeps the sun from beating down on it. Nice. I will show you, if you don't have the 2 eye bolts, I'll show you one other little trick. Okay, this is for our second one. This is just a little bowl. And you get your hole in the middle. right there. And you can see it better that way. So this, let's see what the name of this contraption is here. It's got an eye hook and a regular hook. And I don't know what the name of it is. But if you can't find the eye hooks and the connector there on like that one, you can get this contraption. And I just took that off there, and it's this one that I need. All right. All right, so, and what you're gonna need is 2 washers and 1 bolt. No, we're gonna need 2. We're gonna need 2. So let me take this one off of here. So actually, we don't need 2. Y'all, don't mind me. That's one of those moments when it's like, what was I thinking? That's okay, too. Alright. Got us some glue here. I'll go ahead and put this over. Put some on this side. Put it just in the middle here. Around the hole. Don't have to be in a big hurry because that's just Gorilla Glue. I usually have E6000. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to screw this back into here. And I'm going to use the eye bolt and I'm going to get this right here in just a minute. We're putting this one through here. And then we're going to screw this one on here. I can tighten it down up here. And we have one that is like a little bowl. And so we have another one that we can attract the hummingbirds with. So the hummingbird feeder, just, it's on there. And there you go. I can't wait to go out there and hang them and fill up my bird feeder. So we have 2. So simple and so neat. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little tutorial. Sorry it's kind of scattered there. for a moment, but I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you so much. I will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all. If y'all don't mind, hit the thumbs up, share the video for me, and subscribe. And we will be making some more DIYs. Y'all have a great, wonderful, and blessed day. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.